Tip 5 on creating your own marketing videos is about your camera angle. One of the most important things is to first consider how is your viewing audience going to see this. Now, the mobile devices we use, such as our phones, are very sensitive to small adjustments in angle and tilt. If you are speaking to camera, eye level is the most natural way we communicate. If you look down at your device, for instance, if it's on a table, you could be seen as overpowering to your audience. Plus, it's not the most flattering of angles for you, and you could, not saying you will, but you could give yourself lighting issues. So if you are considering multiple clips to put together for your finished reel, you might have a variety of different angles. This could be fine because it could aid your overall visual interest. Just make sure that you've got a reason for doing that and not because it's the easiest place to put your device.